Hey friends, Tux here. I wanted to do a little unboxing of this package here. What I have here is something actually really special to me. This is the Founders Club card. You guys know we travel a lot, that kind of thing, and I don't talk about it, but I'm really big into, credit card point systems and different things like different types of discount programs for rental cars, hotels, airlines, all that kind of thing. It all kind of plays together for me, and it's just a fun little game to play. But one thing you can do to help elevate your position in these organizations sometimes is to subscribe to a particular charge card. But then, different hotels have different cards, and it kind of creates you having to have all sorts of different, hoops you're jumping through to get discounts on all your favorite brands, okay? And one way you can kind of bypass a lot of that is with Founders Card. And for me, example, I stay at the Hilton a lot, okay? So when we stay at the Hilton, I'm Hilton Gold, okay? And there's certain things that you have to do to get to be Hilton Gold, but it takes a long time. It's a lot of hoops. And Founders Club actually help break down that process and make it a lot easier to achieve a lot of the higher end travel and business perks that you'd want, and make it a little bit easier to get to those, those scores you want to have, okay? If that makes sense. But anyway, I'm not going to go too far into that right now. But if you are interested in the Founders Club, I will have a referral link for it right below. And just know that I'm a member, and I've been enjoying it a lot. And I use it very frequently, okay? Including the upcoming BlizzCon trip. So let's take a look at the card. This is how it comes in a little padded envelope. And we'll go ahead and open this up here. This is my first time actually seeing it. First time opening it here. And inside here we have a nice little package. Look at that. Now this package is really nice. I'm big into presentation, okay? And this is a very nice little box. It is a almost rubberized matte black box, as you can see, with the little dots, which are similar to the card, which we'll show you shortly. And just have Founders Card and a nice little silver reflective emblem there. So very nice. We're going to go ahead and open this here in a second. Again, you can see this is not opened. So very, very nice package. Again, very cool texture all around. This is not something which I would normally see getting in the mail any other way. So very cool stuff. And again, I do have a lot of charge cards, and some of them are like the metal cards, that kind of thing. But this is something where even those fancier charge cards, for me, they didn't come in a cool package like this. So that is very cool. And I don't think I've ever even seen this particular one online yet. So let me go ahead and open this up here for you. We're going to pull the tab. Looks like there's a little breakaway tab here to pull. This might take a little work. I think I'm actually doing this backwards here. But let me go ahead and pull this open. There we go. And take a look at the inside. And inside here we're greeted with a little matte black box inside of the matte black and glossy box. And we'll pull this out here for you. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. Okay, very nice box. And this is, wow, this is really cool. We got a little box inside the big box. Kind of reminds me of like Russian nesting dolls or something. Very cool, very fancy, and very in sync with itself. Got a very classy little black ribbon here for pulling it out. So I believe this just pulls one direction. This is, again, rubberized, has that nice rubberized matte black feel to it. So very cool. And let's go ahead and continue to pull here. And oh, we got some very cool stuff. Let's see here. I don't want to show anything I'm not supposed to show. I like how, see how like both these two parts actually kind of pull here. I'm going to do this again here. They kind of pull apart at separate levels, but kind of in unison, which is very cool. Very fancy box. And here it says, "It's my great pleasure to welcome you to Founder Club membership. It includes over 500 exceptional travel, business, lifestyle benefits designed to enhance the way that you live and work," okay? And that's really the thing, like a lot of these, credit card point systems and that kind of thing, I really enjoy trying to maximizing the value, so it is something where, you have to kind of make sure it's right for you, make sure it's the brands you use and that kind of thing. And in this case, like Hilton and a lot of the things they pick are things that I use. And there's a pretty, robust catalog of things you could choose from, so it makes it easy as a point. Please find the enclosed custom engraved membership card. Let us know if there's anything we can do to make your membership experience more enjoyable. Best wishes, Eric. Okay, and that is the CEO. And I will say, I've actually gotten an email from Eric, which I thought was really cool, actually, in a response from his team. So very nice to actually have kind of a personal contact. I did look up Eric on LinkedIn, and it's a real guy, so very cool. It looks like there's nothing behind here necessarily. Let me pull out the card here. Very cool. And it looks like there might, before I do anything else. Is there another piece here, or is this part of it? Looks like there's a little hidden door, which I think is just the mechanics of the actual package. Yeah, it's like the mechanics of the package, so very cool. So here is the card, Founders Club Elite, and it has a nice, this is metal. This metal doesn't bend, it's very solid feeling, and very unique card. It has, besides having a good amount of weight to it, it feels like a, a very fancy credit card. And again, this is not a credit card, it's just a card showing that I'm part of Founders Club. Maybe if I'm in a hotel or something is not ringing properly, I can show this off. Very interesting and very unique mesh top here. So I like the fact they've actually went to some trouble to make a very nice, very classy, cool addition to my wallet, which I'm going to put this in my wallet. I'm going to carry this with me, especially when traveling and such. So if there's any kind of problems, you got your Founders Club membership number real handy. And although you don't really use this card to actually make a charge or not, it's nice to actually have it. So, and it's just a really unique card. So I just wanted to kind of share the experience of unboxing this with you guys, because it's something that a lot of people do not experience, but people who are curious about or interested in the Founders Club might find this unboxing interesting. So anyway, very cool card. Nice textured feel to the metal, and just all in all, really cool addition to my little wallet. So very nice. And again, great job to Eric and the team for making just a really nice presentation as far as the unboxing part of this. They really went to all levels to make this kind of a cool little experience of opening this, a nice little message, and I like the way all this kind of comes together. So again, guys, this is not meant to be an advertisement necessarily for Founders Club, but if it's something you're interested in, I will have a link for you down below, a referral link you can click and you can check out more in detail. But it's something which I honestly use largely for travel, okay? And I'm sure different people have different ways that they use the Founders Club, but for me, that is basically a travel tool. So anyway, and there's other benefits too, but travel is a big one, and to be able to be Hilton Gold without the required stays is really nice. It really is. So I may have some more information about that with my upcoming trip to California, but I just wanted to show you this unboxing, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, okay? And we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.